My name is Prince Umejuru Isaac Onwabuhoma. I'm the executive chairman of ONELGA.
Chairman, this tour by a non-governmental organization is part of activity to assess what you have done in 100 days. Please, can you make us know what and what the people should know that you have done in 100 days?
Well, it's a good thing they have come, and they have come to ONELGA today. First thing, they have seen how neat and clean ONELGA is, because they say cleanliness is next to godliness. And secondly, they have seen that ONELGA is peaceful. ONELGA is very peaceful. We have gone round to make sure that we will keep ONELGA peaceful, so that it will be a good environment for business to thrive. And yes, I'll be celebrating my 100 days in office on the 31st and 31st of January and 1st of February. And so far so good. I think I can beat my chest and tell you that Sir Siminalayi Fubara has not made any mistake to choose me to contest for the elective position of the executive chairman of ONELGA. And I think we have made him proud, because we're making the work easy for him, in the sense that we have held down the grassroots. In less than 100 days in office, we are constructing the chairman's lodge and 4 condos to service the chairman's lodge here in ONELGA. In less than 100 years, we are remodeling and reconstructing the old administrative block. You can see how new it looks. In less than 100 days in office, if you turn back, you can see the ONELGA Legislative Assembly. I bet you if you go in there, you will think you are in Dubai. Then again, we have reconstructed and remodeled and added new buildings to the security area, which is the JTF command space. And also, if you turn to the left, you can see that the foundation going on. That's a 2-story building with a penthouse executive office and a lift that will serve our people. If you're coming into Omo from Ogbidi, you will see that there have never been a government presence politically, apart from schools that have been there. You know that schools are everywhere. But today, in less than 100 days, we have built a market in Obidi, and the people are so happy and joyous. Then if you go towards Ogba here, we have fenced some schools in that area. Those schools have been without fence for over 30 years, but we have fenced it out and painted. Then you go to Egbema. We have just reconstructed and remodeled community secondary school, Egbema. Here in the council, you can see that we are expanding the pavilion. And where you are standing has been paid for. It's just the works going on. We are resurfacing this road. And if you're coming in, you can see that we have beautified this council. You can see the water fountain down there. A lot of things is going on. And on that day, on the 1st of February, it's going to be a massive empowerment program. We are bringing democracy to your doorstep. A lot of time people say they define democracy as the government of the people, by the people, and for the people. But it has always been government of the people. You have been picked as a candidate. By the people came out en masse to vote for you. But for the people, we take it and buy properties. We take the monies that is meant for the public and invest for in our personal selves or personal use. But today, in this administration, that Siminalayi Fubara has given up this passage route, it's going to be government of the people, by the people, and for the people, because we are taking the dividends of democracy to the death steps of the constituents. So you can see that while working, you can see how happy people are. And we are giving out cars The councillors will take their cars on the 1st. I have 17 councillors. The market women, about 100 of them, that are doing this small, medium-scale business, they'll be empowered with some hundreds of thousands of money. Then a lot of our young youths will be giving out keke, tricycles to enhance their business. They'll be giving out bikes to enhance their business. They'll be giving out vehicles for both to enhance their business. So I bet you in the next year to come, in the nearest future to come, you won't see or notice or feel any criminality in ONELGA. While we came into, we noticed that our students, they need us. So I approved the bursary payment of 2,000 students, ONELGA students, and each was paid 50,000 naira. It has never happened. We have given skills. In fact, we just started one again. And let me tell you again, some of our children, they are going into marine, in Chaken's marine. We need to go around. We have to, from projects to human capacity building. And if you had come here during Christmas, for the first time, we had 3 days children fun fair. You know, a lot of times people just go have fun and they forget the children. You take these children to hotels and where adults go to it. Like, that's what is causing a lot of problems. But we have said that no, every Christmas now we have to make our children happy. It was massive. We had over 4,000 children and we were wondering how to control them. And that has led us to think of building a fun park for children in ONELGA. Very soon that will come.
is Chizi Enyi Esquire. I am the President General Initiative for Transparent Strategy and Good Leadership. We deemed it necessary to take the bull by the horn to come to ONELGA without informing the chairman. We intended to assess the level of development so far as we've been hearing 100 days in office celebration. We have come, we have seen. Our NGO, our duty is to let the people know those politicians who are just occupying political offices for personal gains and those who are working. We have seen that the ONELGA chairman is really working. In fact, he has surpassed our expectation and he surprised us so much. We would wish him well and let him know that we will tell the public what he has done and also urge him to continue. Not to stop because he has done this one. At least having done this in less than 100 days in office, it will mean that if he stays for 3 years, then ONELGA people may even tell him, go back, even without him intending to contest. However, we are happy with what we've seen. We'll give a good report when necessary. I will also join ONELGA people to thank him anytime they are ready for that. Thank you and God bless.
Okay, your advice to ONELGA.
Our advice to the people of ONELGA is to continue to be peaceful, to remain resolute, knowing that the political situation now in Rivers State is somehow tense because of those who never wanted the present governor to continue to be in charge. But for us, we owe nobody any apology. Our duty is to assess the level of political development. ONELGA will remain peaceful just as it is. We also urge them to continue to remain peaceful because without peace, they won't get this level of development. Assuming it's before when we were hearing ONELGA this, ONELGA that, me, I won't even come. But for today, I can even sleep in ONELGA because of the level of peace we have seen. Not just we had, we have seen.
I'm His Royal Highness Ambassador Dr. Bright Abali, the chairman of the community leaders in this local government. I'm also the liaison officer to the executive chairman of ONELGA. We are here as traditional rulers to see what the chairman is doing. And the traditional rulers of ONELGA, we are really impressed. It has never been like this before. This is uncommon transformation. So we are saying that he should keep it up. He has made us know that ONELGA people's money will be used for ONELGA people. And that's what he has been doing. So the traditional rulers from the three kingdoms, the 6 geopolitical zone of Egbema, Ndoni, and Ogba, they are all here from different communities. Some did not come because of we just say, let us surprise him. Let us come and see for ourselves. And I want to say we are happy. The place is really transformed. Celebrating 100 days in office is looking as if it's celebrating 1 year in office. We know that if 100 days is as beautiful as this, 1 year will be better. We'll say the Lord will keep him for us. The Lord will keep his family. The Lord will keep all his team, the legislative side, let them work in one spirit so that the better things we're expecting. Because this is the time we are feeling governance. For long, we have not felt governance. So we are happy. And we really appreciate it.
Others have been there and they left nothing. They did not do anything for us. But this one came and beat the market for us. So we are very grateful. We are happy. We are thanking him for what he has done for us. We are very grateful. We are happy.